Before you were even born, you are already at risk. Inside your mother's womb, you are one of many, 10, maybe even 15 siblings developing beside you. But survival is not promised. If your mother is stressed, starving, or sick, her body may betray you. She can reabsorb embryos, erase them before they ever draw breath. Some of your siblings are gone before they ever exist. Others may linger inside her, but die before they see light. And if you do make it to birth, you arrive not strong and sleek like humans imagine ferrets to be, but pitiful. You are blind. You are deaf. You are naked. You are a trembling pink worm, barely more than skin stretched over bones. Your spine is so fragile, it could snap from a single wrong movement. Your ribs are so delicate, they could break if your mother shifts her weight. You weigh just a few grams, small enough to fit in a human's palm and vanish. You cannot crawl properly. You cannot see your mother. You cannot hear her. You can only squeak and twitch, hoping she will feed you. Ferret mothers are unpredictable. Yes, many are nurturing, but many are not. If your mother is frightened, stressed, or malnourished, she may turn on you. Kits are often cannibalized. One moment you are nestled against her belly squeaking for milk. The next, her teeth close around you. She crushes your skull. She swallows you whole. She eats you alive to save her strength for the others. Imagine being destroyed by the very body that gave you life. That is your first risk. Suppose you survive the first week. You cling to life in a nest of straw, fur, or cloth. You wrestle with siblings, fighting for milk. But even this play is dangerous. Kits bite and claw. They shriek and squeal. Wounds open. Bones snap. Some of your siblings will be trampled, bitten, or left to die in the corner of the nest. Childhood itself is a battlefield. At 3 weeks, your eyes open, and the world is no comfort. You are fragile. Your bones are like glass. Your long spine, built for twisting through tunnels, is delicate enough to shatter. Your ribs can break from a fall no higher than a stair. Every leap, every bounce, every playful roll could leave you crippled. What humans call your war dance, that frantic hopping and twisting, is really a gamble with injury. One wrong move and your body betrays you. But if you are wild, the nightmare only deepens. You leave the den and predators are everywhere. Hawks circle above you, their shadows sweeping over you before talons spear into your flesh. Owls descend silently at night, lifting you from the earth without a sound. Foxes stalk you, faster, stronger, their jaws snapping you in half. Coyotes chase you relentlessly, dragging your writhing body into their jaws. Snakes slither into your burrows, striking from the dark, swallowing you whole. Even domestic dogs, creatures humans love, will rip you apart instantly if they cross your path. You are a hunter, yes, but you are also prey, and prey lives in fear. And then there is hunger. Your metabolism is your curse. You are an obligate carnivore. You cannot digest plants. You cannot survive on scraps. Your stomach is small. Your body burns energy like a furnace, and you must eat constantly. If you go without meat for even a short while, you weaken fast, your muscles tremble, your eyes dull, your body begins to fail. Starvation comes quickly. So you hunt. You squeeze into burrows after rabbits and rats. You twist through tunnels, lungs burning, heart pounding, teeth bared. If you succeed, you kill, tearing throats, spilling blood, consuming flesh. If you fail, you stagger, ribs showing, stomach clenching, vision fading. For you, every day is kill or die. But even when you eat, you are never safe. Parasites infest you. Fleas crawl across your skin, biting, drinking your blood until your body weakens. Ticks cling to your neck, bloating as they gorge themselves. Ear mites burrow into your scalp, gnawing tissue until you scratch yourself raw and bleeding. Worms twist through your intestines, stealing the nutrients you desperately need. You're starving from the outside in and the inside out. And then there are the plagues. Rabies spreads like wildfire, turning your brain against you. Distemper rots your body, leaving you twitching, drooling, and dying in agony. A single outbreak can wipe out an entire ferret colony in weeks. Disease is not rare, it is inevitable. But captivity does not save you. It only reshapes your suffering. Humans have used you for thousands of years. You were not domesticated out of love, you were enslaved. Hunters forced you into rabbit warrens to flush prey. Farmers caged you for fur, skinning you alive to make coats. Scientists locked you in labs, breeding you for experiments, infecting you with viruses, dissecting you for research. Even now, ferrets are mass-produced in breeding farms, your future decided before you were born. And even when humans call you pets, your pain continues. You are caged, you pace endlessly, muscles wasting, instincts screaming for tunnels and prey you will never find. Many humans feed you wrong, stuffing you with kibble and plants that you cannot digest. Your stomach rots, your body fails. Even with a perfect diet, disease stalks you. Adrenal disease twists your glands until tumors bulge, hair falls out, and your body wastes away. Insulinoma cripples your pancreas, flooding your blood with insulin, sending you into seizures. Lymphoma spreads through your body, filling you with tumors. Heart disease, stomach cancer, infections. Ferrets are riddled with sickness. These aren't rare exceptions, they are your destiny. And even if you avoid predators, parasites, hunger, and disease, time itself kills you quickly. In the wild, you rarely survive longer than 3 years. In captivity, with human care, maybe 6, perhaps 8. A rare few reach 10. That is your ceiling. Your life is a candle that burns too fast, consumed by hunger, predators, cages, and tumors. You do not live long enough to grow old. You live just long enough to suffer. And here is the cruelest twist. You are adored. Humans laugh when you bounce, smile when you play, marvel at your curiosity. They film your war dance, share it online, call you cute. They dress you in clothes, cradle you like toys, carry you in their arms. But they do not see the truth. They do not see the fragile body beneath the fur. They do not see the parasites, the cancers, the short cursed lifespan. They do not see the suffering. You are adored, yes, but you are also exploited. You are admired, but you are suffering. So why does it suck to be born a ferret? Because you are doomed from the very beginning. Before birth, you may be erased. At birth, you may be eaten. As a kid, you are fragile enough to break from a single missed step. As a juvenile, you are hunted by predators from the sky, the ground, and the earth itself. As an adult, you are cursed with hunger, consumed by parasites, ravaged by disease, trapped in cages and killed for fur, for profit, or for amusement. You live a life of fragility, desperation, and pain. And even when you are loved, you are doomed. You are fragile, diseased, exploited, and short-lived. So the next time someone smiles at a ferret bouncing in play, remember this. Behind the charm is a creature whose life is suffering, whose body is cursed, and whose time is always running out. For every ferret you see alive, countless others never made it past their first days. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this shocking deep dive into why it sucks to be born a ferret, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more jaw-dropping animal truths.